Okay, hello, welcome back again. I'm currently wandering around on the Brittany ferry service to St Malo this evening for a 14-day cycling and camping trip through France, through Brittany to Nantes, along the Loire to Orléans, and then across country back into Paris. So probably about 100k a day, 14 days. Should be quite nice. Weather now is pretty crap, but it looks less bad over the next couple of weeks. So with me on this trip I've got my Genesis Quad Fur 10 2021, new tent, but my same sleeping bag and other bits and bobs. Looking forward to using those again for the next couple of weeks, put through their paces, just see what the tent performs like in the wet. I'm having to keep looking down because this deck is actually quite slippery at the moment. So right now I'm going to find my cabin. I was the last bike on the ship tonight. There are probably about 50 bikes. I'm the last one because I wanted to leave all my stuff on my bike and I didn't want to rush in and have to take all my bags off. So I asked the chaps who were loading the bikes if I could leave my bags on, and they said okay, and that was that. So yeah, I'm going to go find my cabin and probably come out again later as the ship sets off, see if we can actually see Portsmouth, which is over there in the mist. It's probably worth just saying that I've got a different microphone on this camera. The Rode mic failed on a trip last year and has been crackling ever since. This is a different model. I'll put the model on the screen just up here just to tell you what it is. So hopefully it will work equally as well as the Rode mic did on my unreliable GoPro Hero 7. So yeah, hopefully we get some sounds. Right, so I'm here in St Malo. This is the bay here. I'm trying to find the little bus, boat bus thing that's going to take me across to Dinard. I think it's over that direction at the Gare Maritime, and I just need to go and find what time that starts. So I'm going to go and ride over there now. Doesn't seem to be much happening here at the moment. It's probably about 7:30 in the morning. So I'm going to ride over there and try and find the little bus. Alright, so I'm on the little ferry. There are a couple of people on here. I think it's the first one of the day. It cost €8 for me and my bike one way. So I'm going to enjoy this little ride and then try and find my way out of Dinard. So I'm heading across the bay now, getting a little bit choppy, but it's really nice, really great. You can see the estuary behind me. It's beautiful, really lovely this morning. Alright, so this really marks the start of the trip. I'm going to leave the sea down here behind me, head across country down towards Nantes in a couple of days. Yeah, mostly off main roads. So time to find the route. Alright, so I'm entirely lost. My Vodafone service hasn't switched over to roaming, so I've got no maps. My ride with GPS doesn't work because the GPS relies on an internet connection for the map. So I'm heading this way, which is kind of south-ish, trying to find my voie verte for today. Alright, so I've found the voie verte to Dinant after much faffing about back there. So I'm on the route now, and the Wahoo, because I'm on the route, it can follow the route. As I said before in a previous video, that the Wahoo Element Bolt rather, can't navigate, it can only follow. So I've managed to find the route simply because I studied the map quite hard before I left. So I know where I'm going. I'm on the voie verte, and this way is Dinant. I'm still going along the voie verte, heading towards Dinant. I don't think it's too far to go now to Dinant. It's a beautiful route though, for all this lovely countryside with these lovely houses. Alright, back on the road again, or the canal trail, river trail. I've just left Dinant, where I had a really good lunch and a little bit of a rest. I'm going to ride on now to Rennes, but first I'm going to the Abbey at Léon, which is just around the corner here along this, this river. So this little area is the Abbey at Léon, just outside Dinant. I've been here a few times before. It's quite an amazing little old place. Really, really beautiful. I'm not going to go inside today. I'm going to head on, but I just want to come here and have a look. It's great. So that little place was called Léon. I found it about 10 or 12 years ago. I've never cycled to it. It's one of those sort of little places which doesn't look like anything interesting on the map at all. But it's a fantastic little spot. Back there was quite a nice looking aire de bivouac. Now that is quite a unique thing to France. That is somewhere you can camp for free. It's a free camp spot for tents. That one looked particularly good. So I'm still following this canal. It's really quite easy going. I'm averaging about 20 kilometers an hour along here. Sometimes a bit bumpy, it's a bit sloppy on the ground as well, but it's all right, getting there. Every now and again there's a lock and you go up about 5-6 meters, then it goes along flat again for a bit. Very easy going. Okay, about 75k in now. It's a little bit more foresty and the canal is down in a cut down there. Still quite nice though, lots of little lock cottages. Must very soon be getting to the top of the flight of locks. I've been going up for quite some time. Nearly about 200 metres up. It isn't very far really. Okay, really good. That lock behind me is the top one. So this canal goes downhill now towards Rennes, which is lovely. Alright, that's 100k up on the canal today. I'm just going to turn off the canal and this little village called Béton, where I've got to go slightly across country to the campsite at the Parc de Goyles in Rennes. So I've got to go down here a little way and find that. Okay, this is Parc de Goyles in Rennes. There's a campsite here somewhere. I've been to it many times, but never by bike. I'm just trying to find it now. Probably down this way. I think I can see some kind of a campsite over there.
In 100 meters, turn right onto Rue du Professeur Maurice Auden.
Okay, so this is Rennes campsite. All very nice. I've got the whole tent field to myself at the moment. So I'm going to set up here just under this little bit of tree. Looks quite good. Yeah, let's set the tent up. So there we are, tent set up, ready to go. 110k I think it says on the computer. I'm not entirely sure, I'll go and have a look in a minute, but it's something like that. Pretty good really, pretty nice day cycling, pretty tough because it was off-road on sand, which is kind of hard to cycle on, but that was alright. Tomorrow's going to be much shorter, about 80, so yeah, probably 30k shorter tomorrow. Right, so I'm going to just finish off setting up my camp and probably have a shower and yeah, then some food.